May I now request General Syed Asim Munir Ahmed Shah to come forward, please. Ladies and gentlemen, General Syed Asim Munir Ahmed Shah, Hilal Imtiaz Military, was commissioned in April 1986 in 23 Frontier Force Regiment and is a recipient of the coveted Sword of Honor of 17th Ortiz Course. He is a graduate of Fuji School, Japan, Command and Staff College, Quetta, Militia and Armed Forces Command and Staff College, Kuala Lumpur, and National Defense University, Islamabad. He also holds MPhil degree in Public Policy and Strategic Security Management. During his illustrious military career, he has served on various command and staff and instructional assignments. His major staff appointments include Brigade Major of a deployed infantry brigade, General Staff Officer in Chief of General Staff Secretariat, Director Staff in Command and Staff College, Quetta, and Chief of Staff of a Strike Corps. He has commanded his parent Unit 23 Frontier Force Regiment, Infantry Brigade, Force Command Northern Areas, and 30 Corps. He has also led Pakistan training contingent in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The General has the unique honor to head both the premier intelligence agencies of Pakistan as Director General Military Intelligence and Director General Inter-Services Intelligence. Before his promotion and appointment as Chief of Army Staff, the General was Quartermaster General of Pakistan Army. He was promoted to the rank of General and appointed as Chief of Army Staff, General Headquarters on 29th November 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military upon General Syed Asim Munir Ahmed Shah, Chief of the Army Staff. Now I request General Syed Asim Munir Ahmed Shah, Chief of the Army Staff, to come forward and receive the award of Nishan-e-Imtiaz from the President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Honorable President, may I have your permission to close the formal